All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to online learning. And I hope this is going to be a wonderful Monday for you and a wonderful week. All right, let's have a look at what we're doing today. So we're going to start off with a page in Language for Life. We're doing page 31. Please have a look here. All right, the part that we're doing is it starts off here in the middle of the page where it says creepy crawlies. All right, now remember we're doing insects, and on Friday we learned what is an insect, and not all creepy crawlies are insects, okay, but we do kind of include them in our theme. So this first part is just a little poem about a particular creepy crawly. You have to read the poem and say what it is, and then draw a picture of it. All right, and then answer this question: why does the creature spin a web? All right, so come up with a good reason why you think that creature, whatever they're talking about in the poem, spins a web. All right, and then what we have to do carries on the next page. All right, so if you have a look on the next page, you're going to see that there is the life cycle of a moth. All right, so we do life cycles in our next theme, but it kind of interlinks with our insects theme that we're doing at the moment. All right, so if you have a look, I can't show you here because it's already been done, but at the bottom of the page you will see these little pictures. All right, you need to neatly cut those out and stick them in the correct order that they would go. All right, you got the labels here. So, for example, there it says eggs. So you're going to stick the little picture with the leaves and the eggs in that part. All right, so you're going to do that and color it in, and then that is that for Language for Life. All right, and then after that, we're doing page 26 of Build Your Brain Power. This is all about division. We're going to start looking at division this week. We're going to focus on division for the next 2 weeks. All right, so it says here divide means, all right, into groups of or to share equally. All right, so when you're dividing, you're putting into groups, all right, or you're sharing. That's why I always say when you're doing story sums, look out for keywords like share and groups of, and then you immediately know that you have to divide. So for these, it's all about collecting shells. You read the little story, 15 shells to share between 3 children. They each get how many shells? I want you guys to include a number sentence. I know it doesn't look like there's much space, but you know me, I like to see a number sentence, okay? And then you can just put the answer. When you are reading your story sums and putting your number sentences, please be careful, all right? Common mistake with grade 3 children is they very often, if you see in this case here, they very often put the small number divided by the bigger number. All right, don't do that, okay? All right, you cannot divide 40 into 5. All right, it's 40 divided by 5. All right, so you're always dividing by a smaller number. All right, okay, so just watch out for that, grade 3s. Make sure you don't make this mistake. You can see this person started off well and then they forgot themselves. All right, so just make sure you always, when you're dividing, you're always putting that bigger number first. All right. And then we're doing quite a bit of prac maths. We're doing page 26, 27, and 28. I've got the different sections here. For page 26, this part here, underneath the grey shaded area, as well as page 27, all right, I will work through with the children. So we'll just work together step by step. And then the ones on the next page, page 28. All right, there's page 28. All right, so then I'll just leave them to do the number 9 and number 10 by themselves. All right, so here you just basic division, and here you're halving. Remember, when you're halving a number, you're dividing by 2. All right. And then we're going to do some more clunker in our hardcover Afrikaans books. We're doing the clunk, and we'll do some sinne. I'm going to do some English sentences on tenses, also in the hardcover book, the English hardcover book. And then we'll end off with a page of top class. All right. So we'll do this page 25, just learning a bit more about an insect and what body parts it has. All right, and that's a wrap for Monday. I hope you enjoy the day.